I was looking for a chemical and fragrance-free alternative to clean my laundry. I read that laundry detergents could have a lot of toxic chemicals. I didn't want one with dioxane, alcohols, optical brighteners, synthetic dyes, phosphates, parabens. I finally found Clean People laundry sheets, with no harsh chemicals. It is hypoallergenic, safe for the most sensitive skin and dermatologist approved, and vegan and cruelty-free. They're incredibly effective, even on gym socks and work clothes, yet gentle enough for delicates. And convenient. I just toss it right on top of my clothes in the wash. If I have a small load, it easily tears in half. It comes in different scents or fragrance-free. It can be used with top loaders, front loaders, and high-efficiency machines. Formulated for any cycle, hot, warm, tap, or cold, and all clothing, delicates, towels, bedsheets, even stinky gym socks, and is septic tank safe. If you're ready to stop the chemical assault, click the link in the description or comments to learn more. And see my 6 steps to health.